Sanitec Industries, bringing the solution to the problem. H5N1 Rapid Response Containment and Disposal Solution, available in mobile and stationary units. By mid-2005, more than 140 million birds had died or been destroyed, and losses to the poultry industry are estimated to be in excess of $10 billion. A pandemic of avian influenza among humans could cost the global economy $800 billion a year. Were a virulent flu to break out in the near future, the biggest current account debtor is the United States. Its currency might suffer the most, as its deficit is more than 3 times greater than all other external deficit countries combined. Frontline losers. Airlines, hotels, luxury goods stocks in the initially affected area will likely be the first to suffer cancellations, falling sales, and a rapid move to net losses, as with SARS. There is no pandemic flu in our country or in the world at this time. But if we wait for a pandemic to appear, it will be too late to prepare. And one day, many lives could be needlessly lost because we failed to act today. Any community that fails to prepare with the expectation that the federal government or the state government would step in and rescue them will be tragically wrong. No one, and I repeat, no one, is prepared for a pandemic that starts tomorrow. All 3 pandemic flus of the 20th century originated from birds. The Asian flu, 70,000 deaths. The Hong Kong flu, 34,000 deaths. Spanish flu killed at least 20 million people, 675,000 of them in the United States. The State Department of Agriculture has guidelines for the disposal of dead chickens, but inspectors have no means to test whether the carcasses are tainting groundwater or streams. On most chicken farms, the birds go into a mass grave that can pollute groundwater, an incinerator that belches putrid smoke, or a compost bin that takes weeks to turn them into fertilizer. Some are trucked to landfills or rendering plants, a risk when deadly diseases such as bird flu are spreading around the world. Dangerous transportation is avoided by using Sanitec's mobile response disinfection system. Sanitec's disinfection and treatment process uses a widely accepted principle to treat infectious waste. Industrial microwaves heat material from the inside out, providing an extraordinarily high level of disinfection. Sanitec units are capable of processing in excess of 10 tons of biohazardous waste. There are no byproducts. The end product of Sanitec processing is shredded material that has been reduced 80% in volume without the increase in weight, typical of autoclave and chemical systems, which qualifies for disposal as municipal solid waste. The results from the March 15, 2006 test we ran with the Sanitec technology of the North Carolina State Department of Agriculture Waste Testing Unit, utilizing whole turkeys as the waste stream, indicates a greater than 6.7 log reduction of bacteria spores and a greater than 7.5 log reduction of salmonella. Microbiological testing performed February 23, 2006 results in an enumeration of the Salmonella chloroesus showed greater than an 8 log reduction. Recent animal waste testing. All samples demonstrated no growth. Inactivation of avian influenza, October 1, 2004. The Sanitec Revolutionary Medical Waste Disposal System should be used in all medical centers in the world to prevent pollution of our planet from medical waste. Microwave technology is a front-runner in the race to discover the safest methods available for the disposal of medical waste. Sanitec Industries is an independent company, firmly committed to technical innovation and engineering excellence.